Alright, we back at it again today. We about to head over here to Lowe's. I'm gonna pick up some more stuff to finish up the stuff I had going on in my Camaro. Finish that up today. Get all that done and talk to y'all when I get to Lowe's on what I'm buying. Heading down to Lowe's. Got our stuff. You know how it is when you go somewhere to buy something. You always see other stuff you need. I've done that for a little minute. Yeah. Headed out here to get started on this project. Guess I'm gonna do both trunks today. Yeah, we about to head on back out here. Alright, here's what we got going on. Got this car here. Put the piece in there yesterday. That's in there. But the box keeps sliding. I have to bolt the box now. And while I'm at it, I might as well build an enclosure to go around it. And on this cart here, I think I'm gonna gotta do the trunk of it too. I got the power wire ran up in the front, which was already in here. So we're gonna run it a new battery in the back and clean up all this stuff over here. So this set of speakers, the old stuff is still in here. Got to come out. And over there, got to be fixed, pulled out. And that's what we're gonna work on today a little bit. Alrighty, we got the mirror box that thing, so it don't slide no more. We're working on this dump, you know, fresh mold in there, fresh interior in there. Gotta get me some new floor mats, and we just pulled this down, took everything out. Got the two side pieces mounted up. One chance mounted on this side over here. I got the carpet to go in there, or I'm either gonna paint it black. Well, it got dark on me, so but we did get the box mounted down, screwed down. Got both amps back mounted. I gotta clean the wires up tomorrow, or whenever the next chance I get to do it, and make the other pieces for it.